So now we begin with the part 2 of the top 6 moisturizers, face moisturizers as I mentioned. So coming to number 3, we have here Pond's Superlight Gel, and oh my god, I am in love with this one because the way it refreshes my skin smells good too. And it comes in a flat tub as you can see, and again I do not like the packaging at all because of the hygiene thing. Rest, it does have this plastic container, so it is obviously travel friendly and sleek. You can carry it in your purse, so it is not that bulky. So it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. As we know, both are great moisturizing elements, and it is paraben free, which is a great thing about this moisturizer, and costs for about $2.99 for 147 grams, so affordable enough. You need it in a very less amount to use it. I have started using it since a month now and I'm loving it. As you can see how much I have emptied it. I'll just show you. Just look at the situation. I'm almost hitting the pan in this side. So yeah, I'm loving this moisturizer for sure. It keeps the skin supple, fresh and oil free for a long period of time. Non-sticky and non-greasy. And as it is a gel-like texture, you can use it as a primer as well before your makeup. Now number 2, we have Episoft AC Moisturizer, and it comes in a simple squeezy tube-like structure as you can see, and it does have a flip open cap. See, it opens like this, and as it is plastic packaging, again it is travel friendly, no leakage or spillage, and easy to manage the quantity, which I think is important when it comes to the price. It is fragrance free and paraben free, and also has a sunscreen of SPF 30. If you can see here, it has a sunscreen of SPF 30, and it does not clog your pores. That is, it is a non-comedogenic, very light in texture, you know, like it's almost like a moisture. It is between moisturizer and gel, aloe vera gel. I will show you the textures later in the video. Make sure you check it out. And it is dermatologically tested as well from a very trustworthy pharma company called Glenmark. If you know about pharma, you would know Glenmark is a leading pharma company. And talking about the cost, it costs for 525 rupees for 75 gram. Yes, it is a little bit expensive but runs long again. So I think it is affordable in that case. You can try it out at least once. And talking about my experience, every time I use it, the next day I see a difference in my acne. Honestly, it gets smaller, less visible, and provides the kind of moisture I always seek for. As you can see, I'm always in a search for good moisturizer which will provide moisture but doesn't clog my pores or irritate my skin. So I have curated these moisturizers for those kind of requirements. And now number 1 in my list, Vitamin 75 Maximizing Cream by Wishtrend. So it comes in a plastic jar as you can see. It is travel friendly, but again it is unhygienic as you need to dip your fingers every time you need to use it. And it contains 75% of sea buckthorn water and vitamin E, which purifies and rejuvenates the skin. So sea buckthorn, if you don't know what it is, so I'll just give you a glimpse of what it is. So it is a plant which is great for sunburns, dryness, providing ample moisture to the dehydrated but oily skin. So there are certain skin types which are not completely dry, which are not completely oily, but there is something which the skin lacks, that is water content. So if people who are very less in water intake, their skin does dehydrate. So that kind of skin types, yes, this is the one you need to go for it. And costs for 1850 rupees for 50 ml. I know it's way expensive, but it works like magic for my skin. I bought it from a Beauty Barn website. There is this website for Korean skincare products. You can, it doesn't have an app for that, but it is a website. It's a very good Indian website. You don't need to pay any customs for that. It is not available in Nykaa or Purple as such. This one is only available, whatever places I have searched is, I think maybe it is available in Amazon, but again Amazon costs way too much, including the customs and everything. But this website Beauty Barn doesn't take apart from the actual amount. So talking about my experience, but firstly a disclaimer. As you can see, I have finished almost half of the jar. You can see here, almost, if it is a 50 ml bottle, I have almost finished 25 ml of the product. And again, you need a very tiny amount, and that is the reason still it is running quite well. But I have stopped using it now, as a website from where I buy my Korean products is not delivering since March due to COVID. I have asked them about the delivery. They said they are temporarily closed. They also don't know when will they restart their delivering. So if you want to buy it, keep an eye on the website and let me know for the same. So my experience in one statement, if I say, would be, if any moisturizer is there which is made for me, then this is the one till date. 10 on 10 from my side. So if you like my video, do like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content in future. And as I say, keep loving yourself, and I will be back in my next video. Thanks for watching.